Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I'll be taking some trades. I'm trying to hit 30k for today and I will explain why do I take my trades. Alright, so this is my first trade. We're breaking a doji. You know that when we break a doji, we can get a retracement. And the dojis has histories. For example, we broke it from the upside here. We got the retracement. It's also breaking overlap, so this was a very good trade to take, this sell. And then now we're breaking it from the downside again. This is also the market sequence. Let's see how this trade is going to close. Very close. All right, that was a winning trade. Yeah, I'm gonna move to the next trade. This was a beautiful trade. This looks like an exhaustion candle for me too. And this is a previous candle created higher high. If you look, this is the basic market structure. When you have this market, you can take advantage of this. And if you go to lower time frame, you'll see that type of market in these two candles like this. So that also helps this one. We don't have any gaps against us. Yeah, that's why I took this trade. Honestly, I didn't mean to take three trade. I wanted to take a double trade, but it just happened. Now, I'm gonna go for the next trade. Today's session probably gonna be very okay. Look at this third touch. Oh shit! Look at this gap down. I want to take a. Oh no! Wait. Okay, I'm gonna take a 250 trade on this one. Guess what? Because we only have one reason, and I like this huge gap down in the favor of buyers. That's why I take this. Otherwise, I wouldn't take this trade because we don't have proper reasons to take it. Let me see. It's not even closing on the third touch here, and there's still space. So buyers can still keep going up. That's why I did take this trade with 250. And we don't have a proper buy setup. That's why it's 250. Otherwise, I would go with 1,000. Now, let's just wait for this to close. Sometimes we see some beautiful gaps, ups and downs, and we really want to take them. But we take them and we sometimes lose them. Just like, yeah. So we lose them and we realize that that's a bad trade to take. So, general rule of thumb, if you're taking a trade with less reasons, with less, you're less confident like this one, just take it with like lower amount. Like if you trade with $100, take this with $25. This is the only tool you can manage your risk. All right, let me see. We have a nice little demand right here. Let me just see if we have entry. I want a very nice entry down there. All right, it's already reacted from the entry once. This would be the entry. It's already reacted, so I'm not going to trust this one. If you look at this, it has a little bit of reaction here. Let me just again. Okay, yeah, see that how it reacted, because this is a demand area, right? It's causing this breakout, and there's entries inside it. Also, after breaking this respected resistance, there's a decision point right here, which that also reacted. Now I'm gonna just keep going for the best possible trades. Oh my god, look at this market with so many rejections. We finally broke the third touch breakout. I want to take it, but no, I just missed this one. Let me just enter. I missed this one, I guess. This is a third touch breakout, exhaustion candle. See, if this is coming from a good supply, let me see where it's coming from. It is coming from something back here. I'm sure in lower time frame there is something. Let me just mark it for you. I'm really curious about this, where this is coming from. All right, let me. Yeah, if that's coming from a good supply, this is going to be a good trade. If not, it can be a losing. Yeah. Because I see this rejection. No, that was a winning trade. Oh my god, this gap down made me win the trade. This is a third touch breakout. If this is coming from a good supply, this is a good trade. We have gap up in our favor and exhaustion candle. So we have multiple reasons to take this. And I just want to quickly check what's happening inside this rectangle. I'm going to go to 15 second. I love trading multi-time frame. It helps me to see more details. All right, we have something up here. I'll make it blue, and we still don't have anything. Okay, we have something. This is another one. Did it touch it? Okay. Okay, it hasn't touched. So if I draw these two, and the blue one. Come on, man. All right. This is not coming from a fresh supply. At least in 15 seconds. I have to check 10 seconds. I'm sorry for... I really want to know where that rejection is coming from. I mean, it has rejected from this zone too, but I was looking for this, which apparently is not coming from anywhere significant. But overall, this was a good trade. If this was coming from a supply, it would be even better. Okay. The connection again. All right. Okay, we have a good, we have a nice common point of rejection here. I want this candle to close in red, and the next candle plays and comes down, and I will take it. Okay, if it gives me the chance, it'd be nice. If we break this overlap, I can take it too. Okay, now I want it to come to my common point of rejection. No, it didn't give me. Okay, I want to take a sell here. Let's just take it. My trade, you know, the reason why I took this particular trade is because we are in an area that previously has been a strong, a demand area, broken strongly, it became supply. So this is a supply area. Okay, now we're breaking this ABC. So this is ABC break. It's two reasons. We're breaking this overlapping area. We have this morning star needing retracement. Also, we have minor downtrend, major ranging market. So we have 5 reasons to take this. That's why I took it a double trade. All right, we are 200 short, 230. Yeah, but still I would consider this is 30k. We hit the target. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna stop right here. This was a very good session, man. I wasn't expecting this. Yeah, do not forget to join the official Telegram channel. Make sure you use the first link in the description to join. There's a lot of fake ones. Be careful. Yeah, thank you for watching and peace out.